We cover academic writing 101. I go through the process of not just your college application essay, but every essay you're going to write as an undergraduate. I give you those formulas. I give you the three most important components. I give you what colleges are looking for in your essay and the red flags that you don't want to showcase in your essay. We talk about personal statements and I show you how to write those. We do a lot of work on short answer essays, and then we walk you through your Common App essay, and it's the same process every time. So theoretically, eventually you could go through this process on your own and do it by yourself without my help, but I'm always there to help you. You get access to my calendar and you can schedule one-on-ones with me. I can help you with these essays. And then we try to unlearn the muscle memory that you've built up in high school because it's a different kind of writing. And when we can get you to write in this direction, it's a lot more effective for you. And then we also give you snacks in the workshop. And then at the very end, before you go off to college, you get Write My Essay, which is the rhetorical modes for all of the essays that you might write in college so that you can take that little cheat sheet with you and it makes your writing really easy. We've taken the steps in the writing process that professional writers use, and then we have added our 80-20 rule of writing. The way it works is if students spend more time on the things that produce the biggest benefit of their results, guess what? They're going to get better results. So we want you focused on the parts of your writing that's going to get you the best bang for your buck, which is acceptance letters.